Nothing like a bug in the eye. Hey guys, Tim here, aka VS Customs from SoCral. Now I finally had a chance to put one of these racing motors in my MST CFX-W, and I'm gonna hit the trails or the rocks or whatever I can find around here and give it a shot. I mean, got lots of bush, lots of trees, but there is some rocky spots I can hit and really feel how it climbs over and get that little slow wheel speed out of the start. I can't even speak today. I can never speak, it seems. But yeah, let's do it. Let's hit some rocks, scratch some trucks, and have some fun. Well, that was a load of fun. This thing crawls beautifully. It's not super fast. It's kind of that perfect slow speed and not too fast. I'm gonna blow everything apart kind of run. I really enjoy it. I'm pretty impressed. Hats off to you, Racing, on building another great motor at a great price. And I hands down have no complaints. I mean, it's a motor. How really can you pick it apart? It works, it goes forward, it goes backwards. It's quiet, it's smooth, and again, you can't beat the price, so definitely check yours out. I'm going to be installing another one of them in my new build, the XS01, and running it this June at the Recon G6. So that's about it. Like always, like, subscribe, and share. Follow along on Instagram under VS_Customs, and check me out on Facebook under Tim Blue or aka VS Customs. And that's it. I hope to be bringing you guys more and more videos as we go along. Cheers.